Hey, feel I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that say stick up. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flick up. Feel I'm in the mood for a change up. I leave the city and return with my change up. They got amnesia, don't remember how they played us. They wanna knock me down, but somehow I just stay up. Look, straight from the mud like Ruby. Straight to the stage, they love me. I understand they hungry, but please don't hate, that's ugly. I've been sliding, shaking, moving. I've been popping in my.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Exploring Dreams. Today we're at another creek. Found this creek on Google Maps. Google Maps has kind of become my best friend. It's where I've found a lot of spots here lately, and it's working out. So, I mean, you might want to try checking out Google Maps and finding some of your spots. But I'm here with my dad. He's rigging up over there.
What's going on?
And I got my nephew over there. And we've already got on a couple fish before I made the intro, but I just wanted to make sure that the spot was going to work out, so I figured I'd do it afterwards. Using my new pocket rod. And I also got a GoPro Hero 7, got rid of my 5. So trying it out, hopefully it'll work out better. I'm able to run more batteries this way, so I'm able to get the shots a little better and everything. But you guys stay tuned. All right, guys. Well, I'm hooked up with one. Dad got hooked up with one, so we doubled up.
Not too bad.
Not too bad. Decent size.
Figured that's what the dog was gonna do, though.
Yeah, I figured it was gonna be catfish. See if I can
Took a little while. Jason's trying to just steal your spot now. So I went down, like I say, pretty deep on you. You probably go a little deeper than that.
finally. All right, got it undone.
Baby. That one can sponge.
Mm-hmm. He got him a little baby cat. Trying to get an ant off and then he hit it.
Same time I got hit and I missed it. I bet he stripped it. He sure did.
It would have been a double up.
I wasn't. I was like looking at you, distracted.
All right, cool, sweet. That's how we want to do this. Okay. That's how we want to play, huh? Well, not today. You can flop around on the ground there real quick. I'll get the hook out of you just like that right there. And throw your little butt back in there. All right, guys, I was helping my nephew over there. He was having rod difficulties. And Dad caught this little bitty bass.
A little bitty dinker. I
But,
barely had him hooked.
But a fish is a fish, so we count it.
figure out how deep this is.
Oh, wow.
What?
You got him, didn't you?
Yeah, he was the one that was trying to fight me.
Hold him there.
That's a deep.
Hold on.
It flew.
Hey, chill.
What is that there? It's going so fast. Oh no.
All right, he got him another one. Oh my God. No, that's not what I wanted to do.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah, watch out. You see it? There's a freaking nest of wasp in the tree that I happen to hook. All right, guys, switched up spots. Went on the other side of the bridge. Let's see. See if we can get anything over here. Okay. All right. That was crazy. Well, guess that answers our question if there was any fish. Wow, okay. That is not a bad one. Not a bad one at all. That was crazy. All right, well, let me get a thumbnail picture and then we'll release him back in the water. All right, guys, we got a thumbnail picture. We're gonna put him back in. And he was ready to go. Okay. I see you. Okay, I feel you. Oh, wow. A little bit more different size there. Holy crap. All right, let's release him back in.